What's the meaning of brinjal? Brinjal. Brinjal.
Brinjal. Brinjal. Brinjal is another word for eggplant, a vegetable that is commonly used in cooking and has a deep purple color. Eggplants are low in calories and high in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. They are also a good source of antioxidants, which can help protect the body against damaging free radicals. Eating eggplants may also have a number of health benefits, including improving heart health, reducing inflammation, and aiding digestion. Additionally, eggplants can be prepared in a variety of ways, such as grilling, roasting, or frying, making them a versatile ingredient in many dishes.